In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get verified on Roblox without being famous. If you've ever wondered whether the blue checkmark is only for celebrities or massive YouTubers, the good news is that it isn't. Roblox awards the verified badge to accounts that meet clear, measurable developer and creator milestones. And the review process is automatic once you qualify. There isn't a shortcut or a trick. So think of verification as recognition for meaningful contributions to the platform. You don't need a huge social media presence if you are actively building, collaborating, or creating on Roblox itself. There are three main ways most non-famous users qualify. First, become a contributing developer on a popular experience. Recent updates allow verification for collaborators who receive at least a 10% automatic payout from an experience that has over 1 million playtime hours in the last 90 days. That automatic payout piece matters because it shows Roblox you are formally connected to the project. If you are part of a team, make sure your role and payout are set up correctly so the system can detect your contribution. Second, create items for the avatar shop. If you or your group sell avatar items and you reach at least 2 million Robux in revenue, and 2 lost items sold within a 90-day period, you may be eligible. Focus on consistent quality, tagging items accurately, and releasing pieces players actually want to wear. It can help to study what's trending. Maintain a steady release schedule, and keep your thumbnails and descriptions clear so buyers know exactly what they're getting. Third, grow a genuine developer following on Roblox. The platform recently lowered the barrier for creators with strong in-platform presence, so if you reach 10,000 real followers on your Roblox profile, that can also qualify you. Avoid bots or spam tactics. Roblox filters for authentic engagement, so focus on updates, devlogs, and community interaction that earn real interest. Beyond those milestones, your account needs to meet security and authenticity standards. You must be at least 13 years old and complete the ID verification process using a government face-issued photo ID and a mobile device. Always do this through Roblox's official flow. You also need to have been active in the last 180 days. And your account should be in good standing, with no significant recent moderation history. If you meet one of the contribution paths and the account standards, Roblox will automatically review your profile for the badge. Keep building, keep it genuine, and let your work speak for itself. Thanks for watching.